In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly add custom status labels in Monday.com. If you're looking to streamline your workflow and personalize your project management, custom status labels are a fantastic way to efficiently manage tasks within your team. Let's make this process as simple as possible so you can get back to focusing on what truly matters. First things first, you need to have your status labels fully prepared before getting started. In this case, I've collected all of my desired status labels into a simple text file. You can use any text editor for this step. It could be Notepad, TextEdit, or any other program where you can easily type and copy text. The key here is to ensure each status label is separated by a line break, creating a clear, organized list, kind of like a checklist for all your important statuses. Once you have your list prepared, the next step is as simple as selecting and copying it. Just highlight all your custom status labels and hit Ctrl+C to copy them to your clipboard. Now that you have your labels ready to go, it's time to switch gears and head over to your Monday.com project. Within your project board, you're going to add a drop-down column. This feature is where your newly copied custom status labels will live, making it easy to assign specific statuses to your tasks. To add this drop-down, look for the option to add a new column on your board. It typically appears as a small plus sign or as a menu where column types are listed. Select the drop-down column option from this menu, and it will instantly appear on your board. Once your drop-down column is in place, it's time to populate it with those ready-to-go status labels. Click on an empty cell under this new drop-down column. A text box will appear, waiting for input. Here's where the magic happens. Simply press Ctrl+V to paste all your copied status labels directly into the drop-down options. And there you have it, just like that. Your custom status labels are now fully integrated into your Monday.com project. This little trick can save you a ton of time because it eliminates the need to manually enter each status separately. Plus, having your labels set up like this helps maintain consistency and standardization across your team's workflow. Hopefully you found this guide helpful and are excited to enhance your project management experience with these tips. Adding custom status labels can make a world of difference in organizing and tracking progress efficiently. Thanks for watching, and feel free to join us next time for more helpful insights.